Hi all. This video will introduce the Theory Skill Practice Launcher, which can be used for working on a skill before you're ready to test it. We'll get into the specific test types in other videos, but we'll talk about some of the help features here that should make it easier to explore new skill tests. If you haven't watched the skill testing introduction video yet, that's a good place to start. A lot of the functions in the practice launcher work the same as in the testing launcher. Things like loading and generating a test are identical. One difference in the practice launcher, though, is that instead of the mastery or one-shot testing modes, the practice launcher uses mock testing and free practice modes. The mock testing mode acts like a regular mastery skill test, albeit one with only 10 examples. When you successfully complete all 10 examples, the timer stops and the test ends. Nothing is loaded in a Google form like the testing launcher. In free practice mode, however, a new test will load when you finish the current 10 exercises, so you can keep working as long as you want without interruption. In either mode, you can hit the Refresh Exercises button at any time to load a new set of 10 examples. Both the testing and practice launchers include a Show Instructions button. Clicking this will load a pop-up with quick instructions for the currently loaded test. It's a good idea to read this when working with a new test type, although some may be self-explanatory. Just click the Show Instructions button again to hide the pop-up. Likewise, you get more information about a particular test by clicking the Online Help button. This will take you directly to the entry on this test on the skill test documentation page. There are some details clarified here that aren't included in the instructions for space reasons. One of the main reasons for using the practice launcher instead of the testing version, though, is that there are extra buttons accessible for the test exercises. Every test includes an answer button that will reveal the answer and a new example button that will reset that exercise. But many tests also include buttons that do things like playing audio with the example or providing Roman numerals for chords. Whenever you first work with a new skill test, it's always a good idea to start in the practice launcher before switching over to the testing version. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.